Hey, it's Serge from Designer Plants. Today I'll be showing you how to fluff up your plant wall. We aim to ship them to you safely, so we pack them tightly and securely. When you first receive your wall, you just need to fluff it up. I'll show you just how easy it is. All you need to do is simply bend gently at the base of the stem, and that'll give it a little bit more depth. That's how easy it is to fluff up your plant wall. Quick tip, if you've already got your plant wall installed, you just need to give it a quick hose down and that'll fluff it up as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. And if you'd like to make a purchase, head down to our website.